What is good, my kings and queens? Welcome back to another video. Today is March 6th, 2021. Hope y'all having an amazing day. It's only March 6th, 2021. One time in human history. So hope y'all have an amazing day. Enjoy today. Make every second count because we only live March 6th, 2021. One time in human history. So today's your day. You know what I'm saying? Get things done. Do what you do. Chillax. Whatever. Just enjoy today. Every second. In today's video, I'm gonna be talking to y'all about success. So, a question a lot of people ask, what is success? You know what I'm saying? What is success? Because success is a broad term, Success for me could be $100 million. Success for you could be just being able to provide for your family. Success for him could be, you know, multiple streams of income and it's just a broad term, so we can't just, and I feel like with social media, like people look at success more in a materialistic point of view, you know what I'm saying? Having jewelry, having 8-bedroom cribs, Lambos, Maseratis, this and that. Yeah, success in its own way, but like you can have all that and still, you know, not feel successful. So materialistically, you know, that doesn't make up success, you know what I'm saying? Success, I don't know if y'all ever seen the movie The Pursuit of Happiness, but I feel like in that movie, you find out what the real terminology of success was. A lot of people, Pursuit of Happiness, really good movie. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. Will Smith's in it and his son Jaden Smith. Really good movie. I've seen it a million times. But in that movie, you see him doing this and doing that, and at the end he gets the gig or whatever. And a lot of people say, "Oh, he got the job. He's successful now," but he was never chasing success. He wanted to. He was willing to do anything and everything to make sure his son was happy. That's why the movie's called The Pursuit of Happiness, not The Pursuit of Success. You'll never be successful until you're happy. So whatever it is you need to do to be happy will determine your success. He was gonna do anything and everything to make sure his son was happy. And doing that, going through those trials and tribulations, staying consistent, stay working hard, he obtained success. But he was never chasing success, he was chasing happiness. He wanted his son to be happy. That's why it's called The Pursuit of Happiness. You know what I'm saying? He was selling those the little things he was carrying. You know what I'm saying? Then he got promoted. He was finishing that book. He was in the pursuit for happiness. You need to pursue happiness. Don't chase after a car or a house. Because you can get that car and that house, and then when you get it, it's like, eh. It's like, eh. You know what I'm saying? Chase after happiness. What do you need to do to be happy? Once you get your happiness, you get your success. Me personally, I want to be a role model for my younger siblings. I don't ever want them to clock in at a 9 to 5. So I need to make sure I get on my P's and Q's so, they could leech off of my success and what I've achieved and manifested. So they don't ever got to experience, that way of living. You know what I'm saying? No one should ever work for anybody. Everybody should be their own bosses. 9 to 5, that was like the old way of living. That's like the 1920s, 1950s way of living. We got the internet. Every single one of y'all should be, bringing in big chicken from the internet. You feel me? You can work at home. There's so many businesses out there you can start. You got affiliate marketing, drop shipping. The list goes on and on. No one should be working for someone. Everybody should be their own boss, especially at this time period. We have social media. Learn about this stuff. You a king. You a queen. You want to be successful? Chase after happiness. You know what I'm saying? And, it's a broad term. Success could be anything. You know what I'm saying? You being able to take care of yourself, keep food in your stomach, clothes on your back, that could be success too. So find out, write down what you want out of life. And then write down what makes you happy. And write down your flaws and then write down a game plan. How you gonna get to what you gonna get to? Cause you know, someone right now could give me a Lambo. You know what I'm saying? I would be happy. That would be a handout. I don't even like handouts. But like, someone give me a Lambo right now, I'm not gonna keep that Lambo. You wanna know why? Because getting a Lambo, first of all, I can't afford this car. You know what I'm saying? I got it, but I can't afford to keep it. You know, success isn't just getting there, getting to the top. When you get to the top, it's so easy to fall. So getting to the top ain't success. It's maintaining that, staying there. You know, Floyd, you know what I'm saying? The same amount of money he was making throughout boxing in his, active competing days, he's still making outside the ring. You know, through business, being smart, investing. You know what I'm saying? So if someone can give me a Lambo right now, I know that a Lamborghini, just to get an oil change, common oil change, just $1,000. $1,000 for just an oil change. You know what I'm saying? Something happened to that car to fix a door or a scratch or something. Man, you're going to be out of $15,000. Every month, a Lambo's insurance is $8,000. I can't afford this car. So what I do is I take that Lambo, sell it. I'll probably give me like a Cadillac, something I can afford. You know what I'm saying? Something nice. But something I could afford. You feel me? You got to be smart out here. Make good investments to be successful. You feel me? And then success is also how people view you. You know what I'm saying? People's perception on you. And people's opinions don't even matter, but like to some extent they do. If people look at you and say, "Oh, you ain't this, you ain't that," you know what I'm saying? It fuels you to prove them wrong. Like, you said this and that about me, but that ain't true. And then like you work and you obtain and you get to the point where, you're satisfied and you're proud of what you've accomplished. You know what I'm saying? How people view you determines your success. People look at you and be like, "Oh, that's a businessman. He own this property. You know what I'm saying? He's successful. He take care of his family. He's doing this. He's doing that. He got multiple streams of income. He's happy." Success is happiness. You'll never be successful until you're happiness. We got plenty of celebrities that commit suicide, overdose on drugs every day. You know what I'm saying? We got celebrities in the U.S., but it's celebrities in other countries too that we don't know about. Like a lot of French celebrities, they OD. A lot of celebrities in the UK, Europe, other countries where it's a lot of famous people. But like just because you attain these materialistic items don't make you happy. You'll be successful when you become happy. So find out what it is that makes you happy and, chase that. You could be a rich dude with, millions of dollars, the baddest chicks, car after car, house after house. But, you stressing, you miserable because now you got to take care of these items. But it could be a homeless man on the street with nothing, you know what I'm saying? And that homeless man is happy. Why? Because, he catch the bus to go here. He ain't spending no money. He's enjoying life with a smile on his face. Yeah, he ain't got this and got that, but like he ain't got to pay bills either. Every time he do get $1, it's his dollar. It's not getting taxed. You know what I'm saying? So someone that's homeless, poor man, you know what I'm saying, could be more happier than a rich man. The rich man could be stressing, depressed, dealing with anxiety, fighting demons. But the homeless man, the poor man, he could be happy, joyful, grateful for everything that he does have, using the free tools that he's blessed with, you know what I'm saying? And just enjoy life more abundantly, you know what I'm saying? So you don't got to be rich to be successful. It's a broad term. So find out what's going to bring you happiness so you can flourish and you can be successful. That being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. More videos on the way. Like this video, comment, and subscribe, man. Peace.